Okay, so it's Thursday, the 18th of September, and I am recording a little while to be honest. Like it's been a couple days, about a week, but the honest truth is I haven't been finding any trades. Like I don't want to just risk capital and lose stupidly when I could just wait instead, you know? Less trades really and truly means more because my balance is exactly the same place as it was last week. I've been marking up trades on the charts and I haven't been placing them on demo accounts or live accounts or anything, just the markings, like the target area and where my stop loss would be. And almost every one will be a loss if I had just placed the trade every single swollen day from when I last placed a trade, which is good. You know, it shows that you shouldn't place a trade every day because less really is more. But you know, I would say as long as I find a trade, I'm gonna come in and give you an update with that. But until then, I'm actually take y'all on the road with me. We going all the way up the highway in Guyana, so I can just bring you along in a journey every now and again, and hopefully I could find a trade either on the way there or while we're already there. So, well, let me get on.
With some yellow gold, but before me a cheddar, murder in the bumble. Once me I work with no rehearse, best life not the worst. Low wave the beats and send bad mind to the earth. The jet take off, but secure, so them murk. Can't talk over nothing when I head for. You know see a Gucci pa my body and a Dulce in a Gabbana, Cuban my got and that fly got Panama.
So we back down in town, but it's time to show you all the new upgraded studio. For those real OGs of the channel, y'all know how the studio used to look. And now AC and lights and
The studio mature.
yes, I got a little workstation in the corner here and it's finished setting up. Full double bed, by the way. Is a couch or chair or whatever you want to call
Couch
it.
slash bed slash chair slash
And we'll pull it out.
slash.
Pull it up. So the mean all y'all girls coming in.
Yeah.
You understand? She tell ya she come in the studio, this is what she come in and do. But then when you turn around and you walk through this double door right here, first of all, before we even show you too much of the, there's here 2 doors. You see now? 2 doors. This is how the studio looks. full meaning of that. When one door closed, the next door open. Literally, look, I'm closing this one, so this door could open. And then as we come into the area where all the magic happens, the engineer, you could see the artistry right there. They could communicate. It's the engineer workstation.
A little thing.
You know, fully set up and thing. Look this table. This table mad. I like the table, man. And we got a little fridge right there. Don't watch none. The lights, you know, we professional with this thing, you know. Fireplace in on right now because the place still chilly, but when I can see a vibe, blue flames, red flames, any flames you want.
Any flame.
And plus, the whole room is smart. So if you want to have a conversation and talk to it, you already know what's up. So, yeah. Oh, what is this? I didn't even see this the whole time. This is what, a camera and a alarm and speakers and stuff. You can speak through that though. Bro, this 2025 studio. Basically, this should be the title of the video. What a studio looks like in 2025. Crazy word.
Swing the kid, gonna dance and big people we kill when we link small man. Evil we kill, car people we kill. And a grandpa not leaving the stick. None of my dog not breeze when we trip.
It's been a little while since I actually created a video and talked to y'all, but life has been lifing. Been busy, some good, some bad, but still grateful regardless to be alive, you know. So long story short, me and some friends are going to Panama. And for the past couple of days I've been busy trying to organize everything as well as I possibly could. It's kinda a last minute thing, but we're going ahead anyways, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the whole journey, so you could actually, you know, get to do one of them day in the life videos, you know, or week in the life, because it's gonna be like 10 days, so I can put in as much content as possible when I'm over there. I'm gonna be uploading while I'm over there as well, so you can get as much content as I possibly could put out. The style is gonna be different from what we are accustomed to on the channel, but I'm going to try my best to keep the same like theme and style live, but it's a new environment. We trying out something new, and yeah, just really glad to have y'all along with me on the journey. I got a mic, so sorry if the audio quality right now sound like trash, but later it can be better. I feel y'all in along the journey every now and again, but next time I see y'all, it could be in Panama or the airport, and then you know how it goes. But catch y'all then. So we're at the airport, and we just chilling. Waiting on the flight. So we on the plane, and the fellas are in the back there, but we now leaving Guyana, and I'm gonna check in with y'all once we land in Panama, but this is the situation so far.
Still there.
For real? Damn.